are sitting against the fence, we need you to back up before we can send the first truck. That includes you in the black hat with the red shirt. If you're against the fence, you need to back up, please. Any part of the chain link fence, not the straightaway, not the end, you need to back up. All right, who's ready to go with wheelies? Your first truck. Let's give it up for Jamey, Hoskin, and Reckless Drivin. If you're a fan of the square body Chevy, this is your vehicle. Square body Chevy, all big block Chevrolet power. Chevrolet all the way through. We test the remote ignition interrupter. It's a device that we test every time the trucks go out. It makes sure that we can shut the trucks off at any point in time that we feel necessary. And here we go with Reckless. inches of Richard Midget big block Chevy power about to be unleashed on this track. Also hailing from Fortville, Indiana, here we go, Jamey Garner with the overboard. Next truck coming out. He took a wheelie win last night, coming all the way from Miami, Oklahoma. Devin Jones and the Barbarian. How many Ford fans we got out there? Woo! Here we go. Big blocks of their power. Mac Plecker and the Ballistic. Who wants to see another Ford do its thing out there? All right, out of Atlanta, Georgia, Mac Plecker with